Hi, I'm David with General Air. Today we're going to be talking about broken aluminum welds, why they broke, and how to fix them. At the bottom of this weld is a crater, and that caused the total failure of the weld over time. In order to attach this piece to the base, I have to remove the old weld. I'm going to be doing so with the Walter EnduraFlex aluminum-specific flap wheel. We found another defect. You can clearly see a line between the base metal and the weld metal. This is lack of fusion. You can solve this by turning up the amperage or cleaning off the aluminum oxide that coats the base material. We got our part prepped, we got our base material prepped. We're gonna take some solvent, get any last grease and junk off the edge before we weld it. And we have a choice, TIG weld or MIG weld. Let's do both. Here's the TIG weld that we did. We got a seamless transition from start all the way to the termination, but it was a little slow. And here's the MIG weld. As you can see, it looks like a TIG weld because we were using Miller's profile pulse, but we did it 4 times faster than the TIG weld. There's still a dimple on the end, but it's not deep enough to cause a crack. Similar to the last weld we just looked at, this weld has a crater, but the crater is already cracked. It's only a matter of time until we see complete failure. This weld hasn't failed yet, but there's obviously a crack in the crater. Since it's not a structural piece, I'm going to take a TIG torch, remelt the crater, and add some more filler metal. I lit up on the end of this weld and remelted the crack, and then I added some filler metal. There still could be a crack underneath, so we'll watch it in the upcoming weeks.